Hey, Azay fam! Welcome back to another episode of Azay Store Official. I'm your host, Alex, and today we've got something extra special for you. We're diving into the brand new Jordan Tatum 2 White Bright Crimson. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and if you love what you see, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your fellow sneakerheads. All right, let's get into it. Check this out, folks! Fresh out of the box, the Jordan Tatum 2 in the White Bright Crimson colorway. I mean, just look at these beauties! First impressions, these kicks are clean. That white upper is as fresh as a summer breeze, and those bright crimson accents, they just scream, look at me! But let's break it down piece by piece. So, the upper, we're talking textured mesh and synthetic overlays. Translation, these shoes are breathable yet supportive. Perfect for those high-intensity games or even just casual wear. Your feet will stay cool and you'll look cooler. Now let's talk traction. The outsole features a herringbone pattern. This is essential for grip and stability. Whether you're making those quick cuts on the court or just trying to avoid stepping on Legos at home, this traction's got you covered. Inside, we've got Zoom air cushioning. Imagine walking on tiny trampolines with every step. That's the kind of responsive comfort we're talking about here. Perfect for an NBA season's demands, or let's be real, just running to catch the bus. Check out the black detailing around the midsole. It adds a sleek, dynamic touch, while the crimson hits on the outsole and JT tongue branding bring that extra pop of energy. It's like these shoes have their own hype squad. All right, Azay fam, let's get interactive. Drop a comment below with your first thoughts on these kicks. Do you think the White Bright Crimson colorway is fire or nah? And while you're at it, what's your favorite feature so far? The traction, the cushioning, or the overall style? Let's not forget, these shoes aren't just about looks. Jayson Tatum himself rocks these on the court. Fresh off an NBA championship season, Tatum's influence extends beyond his stat line to his signature line. You know, these kicks are designed to perform. Mark your calendars, sneakerheads, the Jordan Tatum 2. White Bright Crimson drops on August 2nd, 2024 for $120. Available on Nike.com and select retailers. Trust me, you don't want to sleep on these. They might just be the game changer you've been looking for. Time for the on-foot review. Slipping these on, I can immediately feel the comfort from the Zoom air cushioning. They fit true to size, so no worries about sizing up or down. The grip is solid and they look even better on foot. Perfect for those who like to mix performance with style. So, what do you think? Are these making it into your sneaker rotation? If you have any questions about the Jordan Tatum 2 or want to see more reviews like this, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Let's grow the Azay fam together. Quick recap, the Jordan Tatum 2 White Bright Crimson features a breathable mesh upper, herringbone traction pattern for ultimate grip, Zoom air cushioning for responsive comfort, and stylish black and crimson accents. Dropping August 2nd, 2024 for $120. Be ready to cop! That's it for today's review, Azay fam. Thanks for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your sneaker-loving friends. Until next time, keep those kicks fresh and your game even fresher. Peace out!